Hello friends, you are welcome to my channel. This is your girl Josy. I hope you are doing very well. Today's video, we're going to cast off my bill binder and my daily wallet. Immediately I get paid, those things are the must. And today for our motivational message, it say never settle. Are you settling? I don't think so. You shouldn't do that. You have to challenge yourself all the time. I have decided after 40 years, now I'm 41, I'm not going to settle, because if I do that, I'm putting my generational wealth in danger, because I don't want my kids to be in the same situation I am now. So never settle. We will keep on trusting God and we won't settle. Keep watching. Hi, hello. This is your girl Josy. I'm super excited. I've been excited since yesterday because I got done with the challenge, the 100 envelope savings challenge, that we were multiplying the number, and I can't wait to count it. And thanks to everybody who have been following me, giving me motivation. And also, let me make a house announcement. Please make sure you make sure you put on your notifications so that when I post the video, you will get the alert. I hear rumor about YouTube doing a lot of stuff so that our views will go down. So please, for those of you who are subscribing, make sure you go to your settings on your phone to set up the notification so that immediately YouTube drop a video for somebody you are following, you will get notification and watch. Please. I'm begging everybody to do that. If you already set it up, notification, and not been getting it, please go to your settings and do that so that you get all my notification. So thank you. I hope everybody is doing very well. Let's count the money for today. This money is for my bill and my daily wallet. And I'm going to show you step by step how I cast off all this money. I've had a lot of questions. So today, let's talk about it. So this is 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 1,000. Always I miss some of them. Let's make sure all of them are in. So 1,001. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,002. 1, 2, 3. 1,260.70. So 1,270. So that's 1,270. As some of you might say it. At times I get confused when I'm saying 100, 1,200, 1,500. It's kind of confusing for me. So now, so in the beginning of the month, I will set up my budget. So let's look at June. My monthly budget has been the one that this month is pray more, worry less. I am practicing that a lot and I love it. So in the month of June, I lay out my budget on just a monthly layout. And what I'm trying to do is that I put everything on this monthly layout. All the cash going out, my paydays, or my savings challenges, so that I will know how much I need or how much I'm going to take for my paycheck. So that's what I did this month, but I am 2 weeks ahead. So the cash staffing I'm going to do for my bill binder, I am going to do this cash staffing from the 14th to the 28th, because the bills from the 31st to the 13th is already been paid. So I'm 2 weeks ahead of time, which for saying that I have to be a month ahead. We need a lot of money in our emergency fund. There's a big thing coming up that we need a lot of. I can't explain it now, but I will explain it to you guys as time goes on, as it's fold up. But we need to be way a month ahead and stuff. So all those videos will be dropping up very soon. So today I'm going to cast out my bill binder and my daily wallet. So let's go ahead. While I show you guys this is how my monthly layout look like. And this time around, like I said, I put everything, all the savings challenge that we're doing, low income savings challenge, my Saturday savings challenge, our way to 20,000. I did put my sinking fund over here, like everything that is going. My monthly savings challenges are here. I did put it on there to see how much, because we are getting ready to do a lot of stuff and I really want to know what is going on. So let's go ahead and put the book on the side and we will start. I will start with my daily wallet because I have to empty my daily wallet, and this is how it look like. Do I have some coins? Normally I'll have a lot of, I took some of the envelopes out, receipt out already. Let's see whether I have any receipt here. No, I took some of them out. And this wallet, I still have some of this wallet in my shop in case you want to check it out. So here I'll put this receipt on the side. Do I have any coins? If I'm going to do a video on my coins, so I will take it out and put it in my coins jar, which you guys will see. Let me take them out. So when I'm going to cut stuff, I will empty everything. My coins, my ones, my fives, which I'll show you guys quick. So that's the steps that I take before I cast out this wallet. I still have a lot of coins, so let me make sure I take it out. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is the coins. I have my coins. So this is my coins, where I put my coins. I have a lot of coins, so I'll put it, and I'll put it here on the side. It also look like a decoration, I think. Then for my ones and my five, this year I've been like using my ones and my five because my mom always needs change on Sundays, and I'm trying to tell her I have to save my ones and my fives. And I have my jar. For those of you who have been following me for a long time, you know this jar. So this is the jar I put it in as well. So any ones and five goes in here. I do have a lot. By end of this month, I'm going to do the 6-month check for my ones and fives. So we're going to count them. So this is how the jar look like. I used it last year and I love it. So that one is done. Then now, so now that it's empty, we will go ahead and cast stuff it. When you buy the wallet, I add a chain to it as well. For those of you who have been asking me, yes, I do add a chain to it. So my personal is getting 20. Blessing is getting 50. Grocery is getting 50. I'm sure I asked this, but I'm going to ask again. My gas is getting 50. Sam's Club is getting, Sam's and Costco is getting 150. Flash is getting 10. Date 9 is getting 20. Which for date 9, I'm going to keep it from now on. Eating out is getting 20. There's a lot of changes coming in the family, and we need to spend less because we're making a lot of changes. Look how my local store is getting 50. Clothing is getting 20. Like clothing, for instance, I have to roll over. I have to either leave it in there. Nails is getting 50. My hair is getting 20. Now, to tell you guys the truth, I don't know when I'm gonna do my hair. I'm using I'm using everything in my closet to wash it. Then I don't know when I'm gonna do my hair. So I'm gonna start saving towards it in case I have to do my hair. I think I'll roll over that one too. Miscellaneous is getting 20 as well. So that's it for my daily wallet. So look at it. This is how it look like. Super excited about doing my budget this way. So that's it. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do my bill binder. A lot of changes coming in my bill binder. Super excited about that as well. So for my bill binder, this is the wallet, the A6, and I do have it in my shop for those of you who want to check it out. This is my bill binder. I love how it has this code. Money speaks only one language. If you save me today, I will save you tomorrow. So this is how it look like. So for my bill binder, we are not doing any mortgage this month. And like I said, I'm going to explain to you guys later. And for the bills, I'm gonna cast out the bills like I show you from my monthly layout from the 14th to the end of the month when I get next paid in July. So for my debt is getting $200. Phone, no, not this time. So a lot of changes. I'm getting so excited about what is coming. And we are trusting God that it will be well. It will be well. So no mortgage for next month. It's already been paid. Not electricity this time. Home gas, no. Internet, no. Car insurance, yes. Car insurance is getting $300. Cricket, no. Subscriptions, no. Social media, no. Investment, yes, that's getting 50. Ohio, no. Apple, no. Rough, we are not doing that now. For miscellaneous, yes, miscellaneous is getting 150. This 150 is for I'm supporting my sister and also other stuff that I'm supporting. Then for kids insurance, that's okay. For kids upcoming activity, that one will get a $40. My piano teacher for my kids, the piano teacher for my kids just had a baby, so I'm sure they won't go for a while, but I'm still making sure I have the money saved. We have 160 in there, so I'm leaving that one in. I normally pay cash when it comes to those things because I have the cash. So that's all for this coming week before we get paid again. So that's just a few of them that we did cast out. So that's all for my bills and my daily wallet. Remember, never settle. never settle. Never settle. You have to challenge yourself. It's hard, I'm telling you, but we don't want to just live here. Yes, we will not just be at one place. No, something has to change. So thank you for watching me today. Super grateful to have you here. If you're a new subscriber, I'm super grateful for you. If you are my OG, you guys know I love you guys. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye.